Welcome to Death to Gas Garage, where we take out gas engines and we put in our DropIN 72 unit. What is it? It's got a battery, motor, controller, all together in one nice neat little package. So all you gotta do is pull out the gas, put it in, drop it in, go fast.
Oh my God!
You have an Ohvale GP0. We do. We already converted it, but I'm gonna show you the process. I'm gonna show you how to rip it out, how to put it in, and how to go fast. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, fast, fast. Put on the Go Fast jacket. If you want to go fast too, you gotta pull apart your bike. You gotta get the nuts and the bolts and the fairings and all that stuff off. And then you can put in our fully integrated electronic motor conversion kit, the DropIN 72. But what comes in the box, Greg? What comes in the box, you ask, if you're trying to throw it in an Ohvale GP0? Well, you got the motor, you got the battery, and some more stuff. A keyed ignition. Goes that way. It was already on. Vroom, vroom. A digital display. Bushings, and a battery lock screw. Orange and black. Happy Halloween. A mechanical throttle box. Snappy. All of the wires you'll ever want or need. And look at that. That's right, you're smart, I see you. They got numbered connections. You see that? You see those numbers? No confusion here. All your connectors match with numbers and arrows. See? Look at that. Our mode selector with 3 different modes. That's more than 2. And a charger. You've got 2 plugs, a fan, and a light. And it charges in this amount of time, which is on par or above competitors. And finally, the battery. Look, you got a neat little handle here that locks everything in, and you have your inputs, the happy input, and you have your charger input, the not as happy input, and then you have your little status bar to wake it up. Wake up, battery. How much you got? It's got a lot. Battery. Did you see my 2 buddies here? Well, they're the same motor. I know. Hold on to your hat. Just to be super clear, this is with the controller mounted on the top. Same thing, mounted on the side. Did you see that? Same thing. I'm going to do it again. There it is. Super clear. For the Ohvale GP0 installation, we're going to keep it on top. We talked about the motor. Now let's talk about the sprocket. In your kit it comes with a 14 tooth, but if you want to order a 12 or maybe a 16 or an 18 front sprocket, well, we do that for you. And the only thing you're missing for this bad boy, the GP0, is a rear sprocket, which we offer in 55, 60, 65, maybe, I don't know, take a look. So here's the Ohvale GP0, and today we got some help.
I'm Rio, and I'm here to help.
See?
I'm the help.
Oh.
Here we're going to use our magic box to set the motor on top, especially recommended if you're one person.
Is it too tall? Oh, no, we got to do one box. Strike a box. I'm explaining what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the bushing here. You're going to have variances with where everything mounts, so you got to make sure you got to take up that space.
We're going to include the chiseling.
Why not?
Excavating.
It's part of the process.
We just finished installing the 2 main bolts, and now we're going to install our accessories. So we just finished installing all of our accessories. We have our key here, we have our mode selector here, we have our display here, and we wired our throttle box over here. Now we're going to plug it all together. Make sure to look at the numbers and plug them into their according numbers.
This bad boy keeps the battery from coming out. See? Wakey, wakey battery. Take it out of park, and we're gonna give it a test. Good throttle. Now that we know that the unit works, we're gonna tidy up the wiring before we move on to the next step. Oh. That's good.
All right, we just finished tensioning our tires and putting on the chain on the sprockets. So now time for a test run. We're gonna turn on the battery real quick. Turn on the bike, wait for it to load. Take it out of park and give it a rip. Check it out, we just finished installing the DropIN 72 into our Ohvale GP 0, and I'm gonna go on a test ride. Drive, it's gonna be DropIN 72 converted, Ohvale GP 0. Starting gear 1, nice and predictable. A little bit lower top speed. Mode 2 picks up quite a bit. Holy nice. Easy getting like 40 on it. Mode 3. Oh my god. Good place to do a 0 to 60. By that truck, but oh shit, that this thing fly. Oh my god. Another 0 to 60. Let's go. Oh, I made the yellow. Oh my god. Absolutely nuts. So much power. Cop. Uh-oh. There's a cop there. Oh god.
There you have it. A GP0 electrified, going fast. What more could you want? What else would you want to convert? There could be something out there. Some bike that's really popular, a lot of people have. They might want to go electric. What could it be? It's a Hondagram, if you didn't get it.